And since almost all the hospitals have been turned into COVID hospitals, and there are mixed COVID, and although the wards are separate, but everybody is admitting COVID and non-COVID patients. Areas are different, but patients are getting very scared to come to the hospital. And they are also asking, is it safe to deliver my baby in a hospital these days? So can you tell us something about how to provide antenatal care at home, and is it safe to come to hospital for delivery or no?
Antenatal care need not be as we usually do. Like, we ask them to come in the early trimester, then every month. And then after 28 weeks, we ask them to come in 15 days. That is not necessary now with the pandemic time, because hospital is not a very place. It is infectious, whatever the precaution the hospital management takes. Therefore, these patients, they have to, do a teleconsultation and then talk to you, and thereby, like, they can come to you once in 2 months, or if they have any problems like an edema legs, or they have a urinary tract infection, something, if some problem arises, they have to come to the hospital. And it is again the responsibility of us as medical professionals. Having these hospitals, you should have very clear guidelines to separate the hospital for the COVID patients and the non-COVID patients, if you are catering both the population. If you're catering only the COVID, that's fine. But if you're catering both COVID and non-COVID, you should draw very strict lines where both of them are well divided. These paramedicals and the health workers, that is the nurses who are working on the non-COVID, cannot go to the COVID. They cannot shift from here. The COVID personals have to work only in the COVID, and the non-COVID have to work in the only in the non-COVID. So you can have two doors. You can attend these patients so that you can segregate. Thereby, you can prevent infection of your non-COVID infected pregnant mothers. Again, when you're conducting the delivery, as you asked in your question, we can have two delivery rooms. That's what we are doing in our nursing home. We have two separate delivery rooms, and we have the third one also, because our profession is like, anytime anything can happen. Patient can come with a ruptured membrane. They may not have an RT-PCR with them, and we don't know whether she is COVID or not COVID. Therefore, it's better we have three rooms to do it. Those people who are not segregated in one, and those who have a negative RT-PCR in another delivery room, which is a non-COVID, and another COVID delivery room where you can deliver all your RT-PCR positive. Wherever it is the responsibility of the professionals and the health workers to deliver all the patients with the full COVID protection. We should all wear the PPE. We should all protect ourselves. Therefore, we can render our service to more people. So we should all wear the PPE and everything. Whether it is non-COVID or COVID, all health professionals should be properly protected from the infection. And we can assure your patient that you can give them a nice place to deliver their child which is devoid of the COVID infection.